Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing good. Yes, today day 8. I doing a challenge of 365 days to be famous. So I hope you all will spot me and love my videos. Okay, so today I tell you today what I going to do. I going to do something, but I not doing delivery today. But I going to Compost One. But later on, I will show you what I did, why I go there. Yes, I'm not going to tell you now. It is a surprise. Still park? No parking. People still park, and I am going for a while, so I still use this place. Still use this place to park. Okay. Please, don't wheel climb. Quite using for a while only. You guys know level for what? Alamak, never see zebra lah. This one. Some people really nonsense lah. Oh, very good. This is a good timing. Okay, level 4, go up. Level 4, go kopitiam. Am I going to buy coffee? No. Am I going to buy food? No. I come here to change money. Come here to change money for my sister.
Boleh tambah $17, 3 sen, 20 sen.
Tak ada apa-apa lah bang. How much? Okay, they collect from us 482.75 cents. Then Saudi Riyal we got 1,400. So fast. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video, and it's just my small mini vlogs. So like, please can say please also, can say thanks also. Please all like, comment and share and subscribe also. My target is 1K subscriber in 365 days. So please keep supporting. Thank you very much. Have a good night.